Shit, Buddha out here with the coho and the Cascade. Buddha Outdoors with AP Outdoors. That's right. My boy on a big hand. Damn, look at this. Look at those guys on the pinks over there. Pinkies. Coho. That's a nice video right there. Look at her. Oh, she's happy. That's that coho shit right there. That's that coho shit, huh? Milking it. That's right. AP Outdoors, Buddha Outdoors. We out here slaying some Cascade coho. Third day open. Wow. Fucking threw his pink back. Got this in the mouth coho in a heartbeat. She is not done. Yeah, I've been seeing them like that all day in the hole. You just gotta get the head up over here somewhere. She's taking you way down there. Turn that shit. Turn that handle. You keep getting her close. Walk down here again. Walk up here on her. Walk up, start reeling. Walk up reel. Walk up reel. Walk up reeling. She's doing that shit on you. She got it right in the head too. Straight got advantage on you. Come on, good girl, good girl. Get up here. Get up here, good girl. Come on, come on. Get your butt up here. Get your butt up here in Buddha's tum-tum. Come on, Buddha's tum-tum's hungry.